All right, welcome back to TNT. We are getting ready to cook with the pros. I have a big pro in the building. This one brought to you once again by Grace Jerk Seasoning, and it comes in hot and mild. But we're dealing with it hot tonight for Master Keevo. Why? Because this is jerk. I am privileged to have tonight a real Jamaican in the house. A real Jamaican chef in the house.
Well, if you talk about jerk, I'm gonna give you something to talk about tonight because he said he like it hot. We're gonna make sure whatever you have tonight, you remember the chef tonight. I will tell you that.
Bring it. Keevo, this here is Chef Anthony Rattigan.
Nice. Pleasure to meet you, man.
Nice. He's the executive sous chef at the Hyatt here in Trinidad and Tobago. He has traveled all over the world with the Hyatt brand. He's worked in Dubai, Cayman Islands. Where, Chef?
California.
Just
jumping all around.
And now we have him here in Trinidad and Tobago as the chef at the Hyatt. We want to thank the Hyatt for allowing him to come here tonight and not be working at the Hyatt and working here with us tonight.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What are you now? This has to be probably outside of the original jerk that you get in Jamaica. This has to be the next best thing.
Well, pretty much all over in Jamaica, you'll find a lot of people using this jerk. And when I came to Trinidad and I saw it, I was like, I feel I'm at home.
Yeah.
So it gives me great pleasure to come here and cook for my great friend here.
Yeah.
Some jerk. But what I'm going to give you tonight is not a jerk chicken or a jerk pork, what you typically have in Jamaica. We're going to go on the seafood level. I'm going to give you a pepper crusted tuna with a saffron braised onion with a little bit arugula salad on top. So that's something different for you tonight. So I hope you get to enjoy the flavors and see.
There's plenty mats, but they will eat it.
Plenty mats.
Plenty mats.
Whatever I did, I said you will leave happy.
Yes.
So that sounds like a happy dish.
Yes.
That sounds like a happy dish. Let's go, Chef. What are you doing first?
Okay. First, we're going to start off with the braised onion because it takes a little bit of time, and then we move over to the tuna. So we have here some sliced white onion, a little bit olive oil. You're going to need some sugar, a little bit saffron just to enhance the color there, and some thyme also. Yeah. Okay. So we go straight ahead. We're going to put a little bit of oil in our pan. Ensure that the pan is not too hot because you don't want to caramelize your onions too much. You just want to get them nice and translucent. So here we put some onions. And as I mentioned before, we want to enhance the color. So what we do, we just tip a little bit of saffron inside.
Right.
Get some color on that. And of course, this is going to take us like about 10 to 12 minutes to get the onions the exact color and texture that we like, what we're looking for.
So saffron, like saffron onion mixture.
Saffron onion, and then we're going to sweeten it a little bit more with some orange juice and just a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Yes.
That's what you have there, Chef?
This is the finished product that we have here. So that's exactly what you're looking for. Nothing brighter than that, nothing thicker than that.
All right, so I'll watch it, Chef. I'll watch it. You go ahead.
But if it burns, you're in trouble, right?
No, sorry, Chef. you hold it, Chef.
Here, what you want to do, you want to get your jerk seasoning and do, guys, remember this is very hot. Yeah. So we just take a little bit. You're going to coat it on your tuna. And then afterwards, we apply some peppercorn, crusted peppercorn, to get that crunchy and the more spiciness to it.
Like black pepper?
Like a black pepper.
Black pepper, yeah.
So just a little bit, marinate. My friend said he likes spicy, so we're going to go real hard for him.
We have water here,
we have all the good things for you here, right?
Directly on the tuna?
Directly on the tuna. And it's not like chicken or beef or you need to marinate and keep for overnight.
Yeah.
Fish, it absorbs all the
Okay, so it doesn't take long to cook?
No. And fish is just 2-3 minutes cooking.
Okay,
right?
Good.
So I have one already here marinated for you nicely. So pay close attention. You don't want to overcook it. You just want to get a nice sear on all sides. Right? Because tuna is a fish that can be pretty much eaten raw. Because if you go to the sushi, you're gonna have a sushi. You can have a nice slice of tuna. So you just want to. You do
sushi, Keevo?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Sushi?
Yeah, I do.
So tonight you're just gonna pretend you're having sushi in a different style, right?
Okay. Nice.
Jerk sushi.
Jerk sushi.
Okay.
So that's the color you're looking for.
So that's the color you're looking for, and as you can see from the side, you don't want to go too thicker than that with the tuna. And right about now, our tuna is perfectly seared. This is what you're looking for.
Nice.
some jerk just went into my nostrils.
Well, this is not for you, so don't even think about this.
Woo.
Okay. So as we leave that just to relax a little bit, we're going to start doing the salad, which is arugula salad, which we have some arugula leaves, right? Here, just something to enhance the garnish. We have some carrots, some bell peppers,
Yeah.
and some onions. Here we have a lemon vinaigrette. Just a little bit. Always just a little bit salt, you know, it's always important. And then we toss this nicely. Toss this nicely for your salad.
Normally I'd be outside just relaxing, waiting for food to finish. I don't like to...
You don't get to
I don't get to
You don't actually get
go
to
through
see
the
it.
process.
Okay. So here we're going to do the plating for our friend here now. We always like to use on a white plate something black. So what I have for you here is some balsamic reduction.
You take that too, you want to put
Yeah.
sorry,
I thought the same thing. I thought this.
I said to put X right there, but
I thought
okay.
we were playing tic-tac.
No problem, no problem.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
here's our finished product with our onions, right? So just on the bottom, we put a little bit of onions. Right there. Beautiful.
Color is popping.
Not
sure.
more than that.
Popping, man.
And I have for you here a little bit tomato salsa, which is just tomatoes, salt, pepper, and some fresh lemon basil. And this lemon basil is from our garden in the Hyatt because we have planted our own herbs right now.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
just a little bit right here. And then go straight ahead and slice your tuna.
Is there a specific way to slice it? Is it at that angle or you can...
You go on at an angle, or 45 degrees, nicely, like this.
Right.
Try not to go too hard to break the tuna, because we all know tuna is a delicate fish. And it's summer, so anyone who's gonna outside like to enjoy a little bit of salad,
Right.
and you know, a salad on your plate in the summer, there's nothing more you want to ask for.
The silence is because an artist is at work. That's
Yeah.
the power of plating.
Yeah, there.
That is the power of plating.
And also I'm saying grace, so that's
You- We're singing grace before music.
So as I said, this is just an appetizer portion. We don't want to go too heavy right now.
Yeah,
because,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
A lot of times people think using jerky has to be a big meal. This is just a starter, so later on in the course of your meal, you can have something else. You can have chicken done another way or something.
Let
please
the
go ahead.
man sample. Cooking with the Pro Chef, I want to thank you very much.
No, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so
Chef Anthony at the Hyatt, and it's all brought to you courtesy the folks at the Jamaican Grace Jerk Seasoning. Keevo, tell me how hot, how flavorful.
It is great. This is the right amount of jerk seasoning.
Do you need some water?
No, I'm fine.
Are you crying?
All the flavors are coming through.
Right.
I really appreciate this. This is the first meal I had for the day. No, this is great.
Keevo, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy. Chef, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Cooking with the Pros, guys. We want to thank the folks at Grace Jerk Seasoning for making it possible. We're coming right back. Stay with us. Cup of Joe After Dark continues right after this.